Right, so in yesterday's video, we took a look at some of the trades from the Dynamic Trader strategy during the key trading hours. This is when we're looking at around the open and then towards the close. That's when the volatility tends to be a bit bigger. It's where you tend to get some better moves. Don't get me wrong, you get some great moves in other hours. It's just that these moves tend to be a bit more dependable. So what we're going to have to do is look at the ones sort of are after around 7:30 from yesterday. And have a look at those moves there. There were three trading opportunities there and some great moves. So let's have a look at those. Now, first of all, starting off with a buy continuation at 7:34. As we see that the line's moving back in line with a longer term trend, lovely buy trade there at what was that 288.04. And remember, as we've gone through in numerous times in these videos here, you've got a couple of options from as a new trader's perspective. One is you can look at your 30-point target. Number two, you can look to trail it with the arrow there. So let's just go with those, just a simple, mindless way of looking at it. Did it hit your 30 points? Well, we're long from 804, so we've got to get up to 834. Did it get there? Well, yeah, I mean, it went to around 836, 837. So it went nicely through there, hitting our 30-point target. Worst case, trailing the stop there, coming to a stop loss at around 811. So that's up around 7 points there. So that was a nice profit on that continuation. Just trying to get a little bit more juice out of the upside move there. After that, the market then started to rotate and we had a sell trade here on the open of the 754 candle there. So again, we're seeing the market's turning down. We're starting to see the arrow outside of this price channel, which means it's likely to be a more explosive move. So we're not so worried about the longer term trends. That gives us the entry there and then a really nice fall. And you'll see as the trade continues, the stop starts to aggressively tighten. Did it hit 30 points? Yes, it did. What else did it go for? Is for the arrow around 25. So again, that was a nice profitable opportunity. So out of two trades after 7:30 last night, two winners so far. So as we then move on, nothing to see here until we eventually get our last trade of the evening, which is a short trade from here. And this is at 8:40. Why? In line with the longer term trend. Again, we're outside of the envelope. It's looking like a nice move. We don't have that long a time until the close. We're closing at around 9 o'clock, remember, in terms of the cash market. Futures more like 9:15. So you've got to make a decision if you're still in the trade at that point, what you're going to do with it. The market trailed down eventually, really getting us out at sort of 12 minutes past 9. Are you still going to be in by then? Probably not. More likely, maybe 9 o'clock, which is down here, which for around a 19-point move, that sort of thing. So worst case, flat. Best case, maybe 19 points. Either way, you're looking at a really profitable hour and a half of trading last night, looking probably minimum sort of 60 to 80 pips profit there from those three trades on the 2-minute charts.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.